Hey friends, if you wish to check what version of Microsoft PowerPoint you have, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for PowerPoint in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft PowerPoint. Now go to the presentation, click on File and then select Account on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, it will mention the version, but you have to click on update options and update now. Okay, the version is mentioned here under about PowerPoint. It mentions like version 2501 and this build. But you know what, whenever I access Office, I try to update it because that will update it to the latest version no matter what version I am on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.